Welcome back, dear students, to the physics vision classes. The given question is, we need to calculate this integral which consists of two delta functions, one in x only and second in x and y. And the value of y integral is given from -1 to 1 and x is given from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, right? So let's solve this. In order to solve this, we'll make use of two formulas. The first formula is delta of x minus a into f of x integral from minus infinity to infinity dx is equal to f of a only. Okay, the value of function at x is equal to a at the point of discontinuity of delta function. Okay, making use of this formula, what we have in this formula, we get delta x minus y means x is equal to y. Okay, x is equal to y. So we will get only those values of x for which we have acceptable y in this region, that is given to be -1 to 1. So we need the values of x limits equal to the y limits. Those are not from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 but from -1 to 1. Okay, this is, you will understand it in the next step. Let's see the next step first now. So here we get that we need to have the values of x and y to be equal. Second formula is, which is very important and critically important for this, that delta of a function is given to be, is written as the summation of xi's with delta x minus xi divided by mode of function, derivative of function at xi. Okay, so this is the formula, second formula. Making use of this formula, what do we get? We get the delta of sine 2x is equal to summation of delta x minus xi divided by 2 cos 2xi mode. Okay, and what are xi's? Xi's are xi is equal to plus minus n pi by 2. Okay, why n pi by 2? Because 2x is 0, sine 2x is 0 at x is equal to 0 or plus minus pi or plus minus 2 pi and similarly plus minus n pi. So the value of x will be 0 and plus minus pi by 2 plus minus 2 pi by 2 plus minus 3 pi by 2, that is plus minus n pi by 2, right? We got this formula, final formula. Now what we need to look at is the values of x are only those values of x are acceptable which are in this regime, in this limit, okay, in this range. Why? Because x needs to be equal to y and any value outside this region is not acceptable, that will make the whole integral to be 0. Okay, and what are the possible values of x in this range? In the possible values of x are 0, plus minus pi by 2, plus minus 2 pi by 2, that is plus minus pi, and so on. But the value of pi is 3.14. What is the value of pi by 2? It is 1.57. It is all the above values, all the other values are outside this region actually, right? So what do we have? We are left out with xi is equal to 0 only. This is the only value which will give us the answer. And when we'll put it here, what do we get? We get delta x minus 0, that is delta x minus 0, that is delta x, divided by, this is equal to delta x, and there is no need of summation now, delta x divided by mod of 2 cos 0, that is 1. That is 1. So we have 1 by 2 of delta x. Now when we will integrate it with this, by making the use of this formula, we get the integral of this with dx. Okay, what is this equal to? This is equal to this function only at x is equal to 0, that is 1 by 2 only, and hence we have option B as the correct answer to this question. Okay, it was easy, a little bit tricky, and we need to take care of one or two things. For example, the value of x at y and the value of sine 2x within the limits. So stay tuned with us for more such doubt solving sessions and questions, and thanks for watching.